In this video I'm going to show you how to add AirPods to Find My iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first you need to check that Find My iPhone is turned on your device. To check it out, go into Settings, tap here on your name, go to Find My, and there check if Find My iPhone is on. If it's off, go into it and enable that function with that button, and also you can enable these couple of functions too. And after that, next you need to check if this AirPods is connected with that iPhone. So go into Bluetooth and check if these devices are connected. Now you see that AirPods is connected, and basically that's it. Now you can go into Find My, tap on devices right here, and there you got two devices, your iPhone and your AirPods. It was, you see, synced right now. And on the map here you see both of these devices at the same place. That's how it works. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.